Alright. I did. Yeah, used to treat my mattress like the ATM. Yeah, bond number 9, that my favorite scent. Yeah, can't forget the kush, I'm talking OG. Yeah, rest in peace to Pop, he was an OG. Oh yeah, 285, I had that pack on me. I cannot forget I had that strap on me. Yeah, rest in peace to my nigga dog. All we ever wanna do is ball. That was the easy part. We playing that Weezy hard. We sit in the kitchen late. We trying to make an escape.
What's up, guys? So I haven't been riding much lately. I haven't been riding my Harley that much. I haven't really rode the 110 that much. I had a race last weekend. I didn't really get a chance to vlog it because I was having too much fun racing. But I have another race this weekend. I'm going to vlog it and show you guys how much fun flat track is. But I had a couple hours to kill before work today, so I figured I'd ride my pit bike from my house down to this little, like, basically sand pit, little mini ORV track. Just gonna spin some laps on the 110, and then there's like an abandoned parking lot over there that I might go do some wheelies and fuck around on the 110. This place it's kind of sketchy. There's tents everywhere. It's like fucking Hobo City. There's like a tent up there in the trees. There's a couple over there actually, and then there's one like way over there, but I don't know. Let's shred the 110, and then I do have some big plans. I finally figured out how to get all my GoPro clips off my GoPro. It's so old that like it won't go to my phone, and I don't know if you guys know this, but I do all my filming, all my editing on my fucking iPhone. So I don't know, but my MacBook for some reason it won't like accept my GoPro clips. It just like shuts down the computer completely and it just runs like shit. But I've been using a friend's computer. He's editing a GoPro compilation video for me right now. But that's kind of why I've been just trying to figure out like how to vlog better without having like a good camera or a good computer to edit my shit on. But I do have some plans for the future. I'm going to buy like a microphone for my GoPro. I'm gonna try out moto vlogging. Damn, it's windy out here. But until then, I figured I'd throw together like a little 110 edit. So yeah, let's ride.
So I'ma keep me a rake. So I'ma keep me a rake. My jewelry look like a lake. Today I'm in the Maybach, and the car came with some drapes. You know I look like a safe. I put you back in your place. I look you right in your face. Sing to your bitch like I'm Drake. Yeah.
Good drink. Good. Big nuts. Big nuts. Good drugs. I put a four on the rocks. Drop top. No hot box. 12 try to put me over, pink slips to the cop. She said that might give her this face. Put a dick in a real case. Whips out with the Kente. Diamonds clear like Bombay. Take your babies, know her run back. Play with keys like Dr. 3K like 100. Yeah, a girl call her comfort. Trunk in the front, well check this out, my top in the trunk. You play with my money, then check this out, your pop in the trunk. 3 million a month, but I just did 3 years on a bump. Oh, you in a slump, I'm headed to Oakland like Kevin Durant. What is your point? Square with the stamp for Kevin Durant. Lay on my trout, play with my cap and I knock off your hat. I'm taking the cheese and killing the rest. Gucci bitch call me the cat with the rat. I'm swerving, but I'm in back of the bag. I'm Persian, man, I got her from Iraq. I'm serving, I paid a bird for that. He nervous, ain't got no word for that. He heard him on all of his purses back. He mixing his cereal with Percocet. She perfect and she got perky breasts. I just want some of that turkey neck. Trapper of the year, I'm from Boulder Crest. You snitch of the year cause you told the best. Good drink, good, big night.
Alright, I'm beat. I'm gonna go home. Wrap this video up. Like and subscribe. All that bullshit. Yeah, stay tuned for more. Peace.
Whips out with the Kente. Diamonds clear like